Hello, hello everyone, it's Marcy, and as you will notice, I've got Christmas out. So I wanted to share with you what I'm going to be doing for the month of October. I'm going to be making as many Christmas, holiday, and winter type cards as I can. And I'm going to be let's try this again. This is a project that I've been contemplating for several months, and now is the time, I think, to start it. So while I'm telling you about it, I'm just cutting some of these little pieces that I've got. For some number of months, I've been contemplating, okay, I've got all this scrapbook paper, all this stuff. I love crafting and making stuff, and I wanted to start making some cards to donate. So I've spent some time finding actually several organizations that accept cards for donations. Some of them to like Ronald McDonald House. Another organization I found sends cards to nursing homes, which I love that idea. And basically the thought is my thought is, I just want to make someone smile. And I'm not the greatest crafter on the face of the planet, but I do enjoy it. And if it brings someone a smile, even if it's just for a moment, I think it's worth it. And so that's kind of where my focus is going to be. And I thought cards is a good way to do that. I can make them as simple as I want or as elaborate as I want. And so what I'm going to do right now, what I'm starting with, is Christmas. And I want to make as many as I can during the month of October so that I've got cards ready to mail out November 1st, so that the organizations that I send these cards to will have time to receive them and then get them to where they need to be given out at the Christmas holiday season. So I'm going to be making videos. I'm going to try to make them 3 times a week, just as a way for you to help hold me accountable. And what I'm doing is, got all this scrapbook paper, and like this collection right here is Have a Merry Christmas. It's an Echo Park collection from somewhere I saw a year. 2015. And this is all that's left of it. So I'm going to make as many cards as I can with what's left of this. I've got another one. It's still in the plastic, so I apologize for the glare. Authentique Rejoice, which I think when I found the date on it, it was like 2017. And again, just there's not much left of it. And it's all stuff I've been hanging on to because I like it, and so I don't want to use it all because then it'll be gone, and that's stupid. So I'm clearing out. Oh, and the other rule is, for myself, is, yeah, I can't buy any new cardstock and stuff until I've thinned out my hoard. So, we're going to be using that hoard. And this is a project that I want to go on even after the holidays. It's just during the month of October, I'm concentrating on getting a bunch of Christmas stuff done, because that is the season that is coming up the quickest. And I've got some winter stuff as well that is not as, it's either not Christmassy at all or not as Christmassy. So those I probably will use after these. And then once I get my cardstock pared down enough, what I'm hoping is that I can have my cardstock, my kits pared down, because some of them have some ephemera with them. Some of them are just papers. I'll just have to, I'm taking them one at a time, and we'll be choosing what I want to use. And then I'm going to have to start mixing and matching, and that'll be fun, and making the cards differently. So I'm going to try to make videos 3 times a week, showing you what I've managed to get done, and plus that helps keep me accountable. So let's see just how many cards I can get made by October 31st, so that I will have them all ready to mail out on November 1st. And if you'd like to join me, please do. As we go along and as I get into this, I will start putting some of the links to some of the organizations I have found that to which you can submit cards. Probably one of the most widely known that I will be sending cards to is Creative Kindness through Scrapbook.com. But I've also found a few other places. So that's what I'm going to be working on during November. Or, I'm sorry, during October. Wow. I've still got to finish the 5 folios I'm making for my November trip. So when I've got days that I just can't look at another card base for a day or two, then I will go back and finish that or work on those. But those I've got until, I don't have to have those done until the week prior to Thanksgiving. So I've still got some time on those. And then if I need another day off, I'll just do some glue book or collaging or something just to give my brain a break. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be doing for October. I would love it if you'd join me, and let's see how many cards I can make using some of these papers I've got. Like I said, this one, like when I look at the sticker sheet, okay, I've just got little bits here that I can pull out and use. This one has lots of tags, so I'm thinking I'm probably going to make little pockets on the cards because that's just kind of cute, and we'll see what we come up with. So be sure to check back on Wednesday, and let's see what I've been able to get done between now and then. Today I'm spending most of my day getting set up and ready to go. I will be using my Cricut for some things, and I'll explain more about that as I go along. So be sure to check back Wednesday, and let's see what I've managed to get done between now and then. I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.